Arlington Public Library. Welcome to Storytime. Today's Storytime is all about trains. So I hope you have your ticket because it's time to get on board. Watch your step. The train is about to leave the station, so we need to start chugging. Can you help me? Chugga, 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 chugga. Keep chugging because there's a little red train going down the track. Look at the wheels go clickety-clack, and the train wheels are rolling, 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 and the train wheels are rolling, rolling all along. There's an engine in the front, caboose at the back. Look at the wheels go clickety-clack, and the train wheels are rolling, 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 and the train wheels are rolling, rolling all along. The train goes to the top of a hill. It goes very slow, but it gets there still. It gets to the top and it starts going down. Look at the wheels go around and around, and the train wheels are rolling, 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 and the train wheels are rolling, rolling all along. There's a little red train going down the track. Look at the wheels go clickety-clack, and the train wheels are rolling, 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 and the train wheels are rolling, rolling all along, and the train wheels are rolling, 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 and the train wheels are rolling, rolling all along. Well, it looks like my little red train, train number 10, has rolled right into the station. But what's that I hear? I think I hear another train coming. Here comes the engine, clickety-clack, first in line on the railroad track. Woo-woo, woo-woo. Here comes the blue car, clickety-clack, next in line on the railroad track. Woo-woo, woo-woo. Next comes the green car, clickety-clack, to join the train on the railroad track. Woo-woo, woo-woo. Here comes the gray car, clickety-clack, he's next in line on the railroad track. Woo-woo, woo-woo. Last comes the red caboose, clickety-clack, last in line on the railroad track. Woo-woo, woo-woo. Let's take a closer look at my train that's just come into the station. It is train number 9. This first car is the engine. It holds the steam engine that keeps the train chugging along, and here's the steam whistle. This old train painted black keeps on chugging down the track, but the click-clack, patty-whack, hear the whistle blow. This old train goes rolling home. This blue car is a zoo car. It brings animals to the zoo. This old train painted blue takes the animals to the zoo with a click-clack, patty-whack, hear the whistle blow. This old train goes rolling home. The green car is called a box car. It holds boxes and other freight that can be delivered to where the train is going. This old train painted green holds more boxes than you've ever seen with a click-clack, patty-whack, hear the whistle blow. This old train goes rolling home. This gray car is a tank car. It holds liquids, which could be ingredients for food or fuel like gasoline or oil. This old train painted gray keeps on chugging night and day with a click-clack, patty-whack, hear the whistle blow. This old train goes rolling home. And this red car is the caboose. It's where the train crew stays. This old train painted red keeps on going full steam ahead with a click-clack, patty-whack, hear the whistle blow. This old train goes rolling home. Well, trains 9 and 10 are at the station, but it looks like train 10 is ready to depart the station. Down by the station early in the morning, see the puffer bellies all in a row. See the station master blow his little whistle. Puff, puff, toot, toot, off we go. Down by the station early in the morning, see the little puffer bellies all in a row. See the engine driver pull his little whistle. Puff, Well, there goes train number 10, and it looks like train number 9 is not far behind. The big black engine, the big black engine, see all the steam, see all the steam. The steam is getting bigger, the steam is getting higher. Choo, 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 choo. The big black engine, the big black engine, see where it moves, see where it moves. The train is going faster, the train is going faster. Move, 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 move. The big black engine, the big black engine, see where it goes, see where it goes. It goes through tunnels, it goes to cities. Choo, 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 choo. Well, I wonder where train number 10 and train number 9 are headed off to. Let's see. Engine number 10, going down to Arlington. The train is chugging down the track. Clickety clack, clickety clack. Engine number 10, going down to Arlington. The train is chugging down the track. Clickety clack, clickety clack. Engine number 9, going down to Storytime. Hope we hear some songs and rhymes. Hope we have a grand old time. Engine number 9, going down to Storytime. Hope we hear some songs and rhymes. Hope we have a grand old time. Engines 9 and 10, going down to Arlington. Wheels are turning, whistles blowing. Now we know where they're going. Well, I wonder where else engines number 9 and engine number 10 could go. I know, let's use our imaginations and let's take a trip to the city. This train is going to the city, this train is going to the city, this train is going to the city where the lights are oh so pretty. This train is going to the city, this train. I think our train could also go to the farm. And while we're there, we could see the animals in the barn. This train is going to the farm, this train is going to the farm, this train is going to the farm, so you see the animals in the barn. This train is going to the farm, this train. There's one place that I really want to go more than ever, and it is to Grandma's. That's one of my favorite places. This train is going to Grandma's, this train is going to Grandma's, this train is going to Grandma's, better wear your red pajamas. This train is going to Grandma's, this train. Well, there's one place that I've always wanted to go, but I've never gone. But we're going to really have to use our imaginations if we are going to get there. The moon. This train is going to the moon, this train is going to the moon, this train is going to the moon. See you at the end of this tune. This train is going to the moon, this train is going to the city, this train is going to the city, this train is going to the city where the lights are oh so pretty. This train is going to the city, this train. Well, thank you everyone for joining me on this imaginary train journey. But before we go, I can't resist singing my favorite train song, I've Been Working on the Railroad. It's one of the first songs I learned to play on the ukulele. So I hope you'll sing it with me if you know the song. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. Oh, I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morn. Can't you hear conductor shouting? Dinah, blow your horn. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah, strumming that old banjo, singing peep-a-pie, fiddly-I-O, peep-pie, fiddly-I-O, peep-pie, fiddly-I-O, strumming that old banjo. Well, everyone, thank you for tuning into Storytime. Don't forget to visit library.arlingtonva.us to look for books and for ideas to share with your young child. Bye from Arlington Public Library.